You are sleeping and suddenly a cat's paw touches your face. You think, oh, it is just being affectionate. Wrong. If you are the kind of person who likes to skip ahead, then do not skip this part, because this is exactly the part most people misunderstand. Cats do not touch just for fun, and it is not always affection. Sometimes music is testing your reaction, and here is a chilling truth. Some cats place their paw on you to check if you are still okay. Sounds like a movie. Yeah, but real life can be even stranger than movies. Music in this video. I will show you 5 real reasons why cats put their paw on you. And remember, reason music number 3 is the one that makes many people go silent. Before we begin, answer quickly. Has your cat ever placed its paw on you while you were sleeping? If yes, music comment wit. If not, comment un. Reason number 1. Claiming ownership. Listen carefully. Your cat does not see you as an owner. In its world, you music are territory. Under a cat's paw, there are scent glands. Every time it places its paw on you, it is leaving its scent like stamping. Hey, this human belongs to me. And this music mark is not just once. It repeats. Every day. Very lightly, very naturally. But the message is music very clear. If another cat comes near you, that scent is still there. And your cat is like, do not touch what is mine. You think music you own a cat. But sometimes you are just part of its territory map. Some people see this and think the cat loves them so much. No, sometimes it is simply saying, you are my chair. Reason music number 2. Controlling you. It may sound uncomfortable, but it is true. Cats use their paw like a button. Music you are petting it, then you stop. It taps your hand, which means keep going. You do something it does not like. Music it taps again, which means stop. Sometimes you are just lying still. It taps you once. Music then looks away. No sound, no begging, but somehow you get up. Music you go get food. You open the door. You do something for it. Just one light touch and you serve it. If you notice, music the smartest cats are often the quietest ones. They do not need to meow. They just need to tap at the right moment. Music, and you do the rest. The more you follow that touch, the more it learns one thing. This human can be controlled. And from that moment, you are no longer the owner. You are the staff. But those 2 reasons are still mild. Reason number 3 is what gives people chills. Listen carefully. Reason number 3. Checking you. Cats are more sensitive to breathing, heart rate, and body condition than you think. When you sleep too deeply, when your breathing changes, when you stay still for too long, it will place its paw on you. Sometimes very gently, sometimes more clearly. It is not playing. It is checking. Are you still okay? It sounds music simple, but it is real. There have been cases where cats woke their owners when they had trouble breathing, choking, or regular breathing. Music the cat does not understand disease, but it notices your body is different, and some nights it does nothing at all. It just lies there, one paw on your chest, holding still like it is watching over you. If this part gives you chills, comment 1. If your cat has ever done this, comment 8. Reason number 4. Emotion. This one feels softer, but it is true. You feel sad. Music you stay quiet. You sit alone. Your cat does not understand your story, music, but it senses one thing. You are different, and that touch is very gentle. No noise, music, no attention seeking, just I am here. Sometimes, it taps music then sits next to you. Sometimes it taps then lies down near you. It does not need to do anything else. Just being there is enough. And sometimes after you feed it, care for it, pet it, it gives a light music tap like, yeah, I know. Everyone notices this. But if you watch long enough, you will music see that cats also say thank you just very quietly. Reason number 5. Controlling music space. You are lying down. It places its paw on you and keeps it there. It does not pull music back. It does not move. That is not random. That means this is my spot. It may block music across your body or lie between you and another animal, or place its paw in a way that you cannot move. It looks gentle, but The meaning music is very clear. It is controlling the space around you. Who can come close? Who cannot? You think you are the owner. Sometimes you are not. So next time when your cat places its paw on you, do not rush music to think, oh, it loves me. Look at the context. If it taps and leaves, it may be marking. If it taps when you stop, it is controlling. If it taps while you sleep deeply, it is checking. If it taps when you feel down, it is emotion. If it keeps the paw there, it is controlling. Space. Just one touch, but inside it is a whole language. What about your cat? When does it touch you the most? Comment and share your story. Do not stay silent. Silence kills the channel. And if you want to understand your cat better every day, follow the channel. You see this video, but behind it there is a whole team. Someone adjusts every single frame. Someone writes every single line. Someone spends hours music just to make everything feel natural. And I just want to say thank you to my team. Thank you to YouTube for giving us the chance to show up in front of you. And thank you for staying here until the very last.